Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a warm welcome to another exciting lesson. This is Multan Public School and College Multan. Dear students, our subject is reader and I'm your teacher Sana Arslan. My dear students, the story that is under discussion is carried from the Oxford Reading Tree series. Look at the cover of the book. What is the reader's name? Its name is A New Dog. So we will continue our reader. But before starting anything else, we will first reinforce our previous lesson. So let's begin our reinforcement. Look at this page. Kipper is holding a dog's book because Kipper wanted a dog. Kipper went to his family and he said they should have a dog. So everyone wanted a dog. Move to the next. So all family members and Kipper himself went to the dog's home. They went to bring the dog. Look at this page. They all looked at the dog. Now let's see which dog Kipper wanted. Kipper wanted this dog. See, it was too big. And Dad got afraid and he said he will not able to handle him. Now let's start our new lesson. And let's see what happens next. Here in this page, Biff wanted this dog. See, it was too little. Here you can see, Mom got afraid and she thought, no, this dog is so tiny. We will not have it. Now look at this. Which dog Mum wanted? Yes, Mum wanted this dog. See, it was too strong. Here Chip thought, this dog is too strong. And if he will run away, then they will not able to run after him. It means they will not able to catch him. Now, my dear kids, here you can see everyone liked this dog. And what is the color of the dog? Yes, its color is brown. Now move to the next. Here in this page, they all took the dogs home. See, Dad is carrying the dog while the kids are looking so excited. So here, my dear students, our interesting reader, A New Dog, came to an end. Now, it's a question time. Can you tell me how many members in Kipper's family? Yes, the answer will be asked in later. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.